In this video, you'll learn how to find out when and where the courses take place. When you have found the modules you want to complete this semester, you can look up time and location in the course catalog called LSF or Vorlesungsverzeichnis. Select Suche nach Veranstaltungen. Here you can enter the name of your course. You should take note that Roman numbers, like in Analysis 1, are written with a capital I letter. With a 1, you most definitely won't find what you're searching for. Most of the time you will have multiple search results and you have to look really closely to figure out what actually belongs to your module. On the right you can see if the link leads to information about lectures, tutorials, etc. When you click on a link, a new page will open where you will find tables with time and location of lectures or tutorials and so on. It's important to say that the LSF isn't always complete or correct, but unfortunately it's the best resource we have. Instead of the LSF, you can also use the platform myDESK to find out time and location of your courses. It basically works the same way. Enter the name of your course in the search bar. Here it is definitely needed to use the filters on the right, otherwise you will have way too many results. It's advisable to filter by semester and type of event. When you have found the tutorial or lecture or whatever you were searching for, click on it. On the page you'll find the details as location and time.